Hey team, wanted to walk through the 14.6 planning issue as we kick off refinement. We're actually a couple of days into refinement already, so I'm a little behind on this. So 14.6, you'll be fully in the hands of the new product manager at that point. But what we have as a theme is we're really continuing to focus on GitLab hosted first. Towards that and working towards that, we're going to be focusing on several of the performance issues that we uncovered as we dug into especially build artifact related endpoints. So we have a number of those on the board. They're all going to be tagged with the performance label, so it should be pretty easy to find. They're called out as too slow. One of our Q4 OKRs is identifying endpoints where we can change our app decks defaults back closer to 1 second from the 5-second new default, so that we can continue to deliver just outstanding performance for customers, especially around build artifacts performance. Secondary goal is our first iteration on the project quality summary MVC. We're going to be adding test coverage data to the page. This builds on the data point that we already have. This is really just replicating what we have on the test coverage project summary view today. But it is our first step towards this MVC. And we believe that this kind of top-down view for not just the director personas, but also for the team lead persona is going to drive additional pipelines being run that upload those files. Those files being JUnit XML and Cobertura XML files that drive test results and coverage data. Towards that, we need to be able to track those things. So we have usage ping in here for upload of artifact report Cobertura, artifact report JUnit. That will in turn drive our kind of team KPIs. And then we also have that test coverage data. And then the last one I'm going to call out, this is one that we've kind of moved along a couple of times as we've had to push more things out related to build artifacts, but it's implementing that SAX parser for Cobertura. That should in turn help us up the limit on those Cobertura files as well, coverage reports as well, which again will increase overall usage of that feature. And once we have tracking on it, we can see what the impact is there. So I'm really excited to see those two go out in tandem, see what that lift is as we implement those features. I believe that Gene is going to be working on some research. We don't have anything in the milestone yet. And I will fill in as we get our Q4 OKRs set alignment with those so that we as a team know we're working towards. So if you can start to take a look, we have a good number of things in here that are back end and front end that can be reviewed, refined, and then weight applied to them. Once you have a weight on it, go ahead and move it on over into ready for development. Thanks, team. Cheers.